Let's look at the do's and don'ts for designing a bar chart using this example that reports extreme weather in 2 local cities. Don't use a background image that conflicts with the chart for attention. Find a simple background with plenty of space for the chart to take center stage. Don't forget to say what the data stands for. It is a record-breaking day. More specifically, the chart shows record-breaking temperatures. Don't choose a 3-dimensional chart design. 2-dimensional bars make it easier to compare the heights of the bars. Do sort the bars in a logical order. The original record occurred in 1941. We usually think of time in chronological order. It makes more sense that 1941 appears before today. If there is room, do adjust the legend to match the bars. For this chart, displayed side by side. Do use direct labels on the bars as shown here, but make sure they are large enough to read. Applying these do's and don'ts to the original bar chart, which is eye-catching but cluttered, results in this improved chart that communicates the information more effectively using a clear and elegant design.